Use a 5mm Allen wrench to loosen the upper and lower triple clamp bolts. Loosen the front axle nut, remove the front axle, and take out the left shock absorber. Use a 4mm hex wrench special fixture to turn counterclockwise and loosen the end cap. Use a 4mm hex wrench special fixture and a 1/4mm open-end wrench to loosen the locking preload between the end cap and the threaded sleeve. Then unscrew the end cap. Remove the adjustment screw at the spindle end, tilt the shock absorber and drain the internal fluid. Remove the outer tube. Use a thin blade to pry out the dust seal. Use a flathead screwdriver to pry out the circlip. Use a heat gun to heat the oil seal area of the outer tube. Place a soft rubber or cloth pad at the external port and use a flathead screwdriver or a suitable flat tool to pry out the oil seal. Insert the new oil seal into the outer tube. Press the oil seal into place using a mold. Insert the snap ring into the corresponding groove in the outer tube. Press the dust seal into the outer tube, ensuring it is snug against the end of the outer tube. Evenly apply lubricant grease inside the oil seal and dust seal lips. Slowly and evenly insert the outer tube into the fork tube. The removed adjustment screw is inserted into the axle core, slightly higher than the end surface of the axle core. Rotate the end cap onto the main spindle until it reaches the base. Rotate the adjustment knob to ensure the adjustment range is 18 clicks. Use a 4mm hex wrench special tool and a 1/4mm open-end wrench to lock and pre-tighten the end cap and threaded sleeve. Inject damping oil into the shock absorber with an oil volume of 300 milliliters. Use a 4mm hex wrench special tool to lock the end cap into the outer tube, ensuring it is flush with the outer tube opening. Insert the left shock absorber into the corresponding position of the triple clamp. Use a 5mm hex wrench to tighten the upper and lower clamp screws. Insert the front wheel axle from the lower right side. Then tighten the front wheel axle nut.